Okay, so this is a recording of this project. This is a little photo album. I'll show you the back. I'm trying to do this one-handed, so I put this here so that I could hold the little string in place, so it wouldn't go just flying off and have to be put back in. So it unties, and then you have this panel. I guess you could put some pictures here if you wanted to, or just put like some journaling down there. I was thinking like for summer fireworks or whatever. So then you open this up and you have this little envelope here where you could tuck little memorabilia, tickets, whatever you might have in there. And then if you open it up the rest of the way, then you have this panel that you could, put some photo and some journaling around there. This panel, and then this panel, I didn't glue this all the way down. It's just adhered at the bottom, so you could put, slide a picture underneath there. And then in each one of these things, this is going to be a little bit hard to do just one-handed, but in each one of these, let's see if I can pull it out. There's one of the card bases from the add-on kit. So you could, put a picture on the outside of that if you wanted, or you could journal on the outside of that, or you could put a picture on the inside and journal and do some more stamping on the outside if you wanted to. But each one of these has another card inside. So you could put like a whole bunch of stuff in there from your summer adventures. So that is my project.